September's a great time to be in the garden. The sun's out, birds are chirping, bees are buzzing. So get out there and get amongst it. Here are some ideas on what you can do in your garden in September. So this month in September, you should be planting lavenders. They like full sun and well-drained soils. Lavenders attract bees and other beneficial insects to your garden. They are loved for their fragrant flowers that come in pretty pink, lavender, white or green. Other shrubs to plant are hydrangeas, fuchsias and jasmine. There are plenty to choose from in all different colours and sizes. So if you don't know which plant to get, you come into store and you can see a plant expert and they will set you straight. So in terms of edibles, it's time to get your next season crop ready. Sow parsnip seeds directly into weed-free beds. Plant herbs like coriander, oregano and parsley as well as lettuce. And if you're in a frost-free area, plant potatoes. We're picking citrus out of the garden, such as limes, mandarin, lemon, persimmon and tamarello. There's plenty to do in September as the weather gets warmer in the South Island. First thing we'll be doing is lawn maintenance. Sow grass seeds now to create new lawn or to repair existing ones. Give your lawn some fertiliser, but on recently sown lawn, be careful to use a fertiliser that won't damage the new grass seedlings. As soon as the soil warms, weeds start to grow. So mulch, mulch and mulch. Pea straw is a good option. Put it on any areas that are bare. This will protect the soil and help prevent weeds. Pests also start to actively look for food, so keep an eye out for any unwelcome guests. Spring is a great time to be in the garden. There's plenty to do. And of course, if you've got any questions, come into your local Bunnings store. Click here for more garden advice. Click here to go back to the website.